What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another wild salmon herping video. Today we're out in the jungles of Phuket looking for some more snakes. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to boost the algorithm and help my channel grow. Let's go, guys. I just spotted this Asian vine snake, or also known as the judgmental shoelace, resting his head up on this branch right here. I'm gonna take them down and take a closer look at it. So here I took him down, and this guy is actually not a small individual. He's quite a large individual at that. And as they mature, they turn into this very, very nice lime green color. And when they're juveniles, they are a very, very interesting white slash very light green color. And you can see why they call them the judgmental shoelace if you look at his head from this angle. Very, very judgmental. It's like staring into your soul and trying to steal your soul. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna release him, and hopefully we'll find some better snakes tonight. So take a look at this, guys. I just spotted this Phuket pit viper on this bamboo shoot, and if I zoom in, you can actually see that this guy is digesting what it looks to be a gecko of sorts. Wow, what a very nice observation. I cannot take this guy down because obviously he's eating, and I don't like to disturb snakes when they're eating. This looks to be some sort of young female due to the lack of bright banding on the body. But yeah, very nice. And in the distance right there, I just spotted this Malayan softshell turtle. I don't think I can get to him, unfortunately, because all of this is extremely muddy area. And I kind of nearly truncated my boot. It sank nearly to the knee. But yeah, nonetheless, it's a very interesting find. Right there, you can take a closer look at this Malayan softshell turtle, just poking out its nose. Yeah, these guys have a very cute, interesting nose, a little bit like an elephant does. And their neck is extremely long as well. All right, guys, and a major link up has occurred. We got Lucas and Anthony. Anthony just spotted this very, very nice Ptias koros. Wow, this is actually the biggest individual I have ever seen in the wild. And it's very, very good condition as well. Not many scars or anything, just a few nicks in the scales. Nothing too bad. At first, when Anthony spotted this snake, we thought it was a king cobra because these guys actually have a pattern on their tail that is extremely similar and hard to differentiate between a king cobra. So from a distance, we thought that this could have been a very, very big W, but it's still a very nice snake nonetheless. Take a look at the size of this specimen. I would say this is probably 1.3, maybe 1.4 meters long. Very, very large. This is already a big adult. And out of nowhere, when I put my bag down to grab a bottle of water to drink, I just found this trilobite beetle crawling across my bag. And these guys are chill, they don't really bite. I'm gonna get him on my hand real quick so you can take a look at him. Here he is. He's kind of got an orange outskirt and he's very dark black. Very, very creepy looking. And right here down low, we got a canopy lizard chilling, which is not a really common sight. Usually these lizards are found all the way up behind the canopy. We got a closer look at the feisty boy. He's very, very green looking, but I'm going to show you how he looks like in a few seconds after holding him. So a few minutes have passed, and you can see how much the visual aesthetic of this lizard has truncated. Now this is absolutely horrendous. Not a beautiful lizard, not a beautiful green lizard anymore. Yeah, we're going to release him on his merry way and continue herping. All right, fellas, and up here on the tree you can see a prass, but this one is actually in its juvenile colors, the minty white colors. Yeah, we're not going to disturb this guy. I'm not going to spend too much time. Let's go. All right, fellas, so the wind is picking up and I'm getting some lightning strikes from there, as you can see. Hopefully it doesn't start pissing down torrentially on me. Fingers crossed. Let's see. All right, and a rather unexpected mammal encounter. Right here we got a little juvenile Sunda flying lemur leaning back on that log and kind of resting. It's a very, very interesting encounter. Let's go. That's awesome. Guys, take a look at this. This right here is the old Hems bento gecko. These guys are particularly cute and have a very nice pattern on their back, but they're extremely common here in Phuket, and yeah, they're seen absolutely everywhere. Very plentiful in population. Take a look at those eyes. Kind of looks like a galaxy. All right, fellas, I just scaled down this near vertical cliff because I spotted some movement in the distance, and it turns out it's a Lycodon spanulatus stripe morph. I'm gonna pick him up in a moment. These guys are truly the most harmless snakes ever. So here's a closer look at the Lycodon spanulatus that I just found. We have two distinct morphs here in Phuket. We have the banded morph and the lined morph, like this one. And in Phuket, it seems that this morph is actually more dominant than the checkered morph, the banded morph. I'm going to try to get him a little bit easier to see here, so you can actually see his line. Very interesting. Annoying wasp is attacking me. All right, as I'm walking through this extremely bushy undergrowth, it's kind of starting to piss down on me. But I'll update you guys if I find anything cool. All right, guys, take a look. Right here we have two venomous and poisonous snakes in my hand. These right here are the black-banded keelbacks. But the reason I'm not too worried about holding them is because they have a very poor delivery mechanism and they're rear-fanged. So to actually inject some venom into you, they'll have to chew on your skin for quite a while. I've never been bit by these guys. They're always really, really docile when I pick them up. But yeah, you definitely don't want these guys to chew on you. I'm going to release these guys on the ground right here. They're kind of starting to curl up around each other. Awesome. Right along the forest edge, I just spotted this young adult Genderlaphus cauda the striped bronzeback. This species actually has quite gnarly teeth for bronzeback species, so I'm probably not going to try catch him. But it's a very nice observation nonetheless. I always love finding these guys. They're pretty beautiful. Let's go, guys. Check this out right here, guys. I just found this exceptionally beautiful Trimerosaurus phuketensis, the endemic pit viper to the island of Phuket. And look at those bands. They're so red. Wow. I'm truly impressed by this specimen. I've never seen one more beautiful than this. This is the most beautiful one I have seen in the wild, full stop. Take a look at that pit viper. Isn't he absolutely stunning? So beautiful. At the moment, I'm just zigzagging this hillside right here off the trail. Looking for some nice microhabitats for snakes to be chilling in. It's a very nice area. Beautiful. Take a look at this, guys. This is a keeled slug snake, Piraeus carinatus. And as their name suggests, they do actually eat slugs and snails, and that's a main part of their diet. These guys are very derpy looking. That's why I really like them. I'm not going to disturb this guy because you can get a very nice look at him either way. I wish him the best of sleep. Farewell, buddy. And at the top of the mountain here, we got quite a phenomenal view. Spectacular. And accompanied with this magical view, I've also found the obligatory judgmental shoelace. Kind of woke you up. Sorry about that. See you later. Take a look at this, guys. One of the more common creepy crawlies in the jungle. This is the jungle nymph. And these guys, they try to mimic leaves, as you can see. This one is kind of mimicking a dry leaf, so sometimes it's very hard to spot them. Nice find nonetheless. I'm going to release him and keep walking.